Happy Tamiya Tuesday! Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. So I'm continuing on my NSU M-05, my front wheel drive little thing, and I am on step 15. So I'm going to take this piece here and I'm going to put these on, actually the other way around, and yeah. Alright, so I'll get that hooked up, be right back. Okay, so I got this assembled. This is going to slide onto the back here, and it's going to get held on with 3 BA4 screws. I can't count, 3 BA4 screws. And there are 2 sets of instructions. One's for an M-05M, one is for an M-05S. I'm following along with M-05M because everything I see leads me to believe that this is an M-05M. If I'm wrong, well, so be it. Alright, so now this bottom plate is going to go on. It's going to be held on with 4 of the BA6s. Okay guys, so I hate Tamiya kits. I really do. They put like 5 instructions into one book. 5 different models, how to build it in one stupid book. So anyway, M-05L is what I should have been building. So I got to change some things around. So I'm going to go ahead and fix what I should have fixed, or should have done in the first place, so I can get up to step 16 of the correct wheelbase. God, I hate these things. Okay, so now I'm on the enhanced, whatever you want to call it, M-05L, step 16. So I'm going to put the shocks into the bracket, and the lower arms, get all that assembled. Alright, so step 17 is getting this onto here and attaching with some BA4s. Alright, now I'm going to slide the pins in and get the rear knuckles put on. Alright, so now on step 18, going to put the pins in, get the rear hub on, and should be in good shape after this. So for those at home messing up along with me, make sure you follow M-05L. Starts on page 10. Alright, so there's the completed rear assembly. I love Tamiya kits again. Okay, so step 19 and 20 have me getting into the electronics, and I will need to change out this Tamiya plug on the ESC. Problem is I currently don't have one, and I really don't want to take off a plug from another vehicle. So I'm going to call this video. I'm going to order a new plug, get all that soldered on, get all this set up, this way I can get the servo centered, and then I will continue forward. But for now, the front and rear suspension, everything's set up there, so I'm in pretty good shape, and I will continue moving on the next episode of Tamiya Tuesday. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll see you all soon. Take care.